In this clip, we introduce a method of multiplying by 5 using our hands as a calculator, and we're going to call it T5 after Joachim Trachtenberg, who invented a system of multiplication by doing simple operations on the multiplicon. So we'll call it T5. I converted it to hand calculations, his method. All right, we're going to start with 2 closed fists. And we're going to count up to the multiplicon. The multiplier is always 5. The multiplicon, we're going to count up to, starting on the right, I want to multiply 5 times 2. So I'm going to count 1, starting on the right hand, and then going to the left, 2. Okay. So there's the multiplicon. This represents 5 times 2. I'm going to compare the 2 sets. 1 is equal to 1. So the right hand, if the sets are equal, the right hand equals 0. The left hand represents the tens place. So I have 1, 0. You can close all the fingers if you want, but it's much more difficult for me to do it, using the model. But you can do it. Close your hand, close the right hand, and that represents 0, and this represents 1. So 5 times 2 is 10. All right, 5 times 3, here's 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to alternate the count up to the multiplicon. Then we're going to compare the 2 sets. 2 is not equal to 1, the sets are not equal. We are going to open the right hand. It now represents 5. Okay? I'll do it once. You can do it much easier than me. You can just open them. We have 1, 2, 3. The sets are not equal. Open your right hand. You have a 1 and a 5. So 5 times 3 is 15. 1, 5. 5 times 4, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. The sets are equal. 2 is equal to 2. Right hand represents 0. Left hand represents the tens place. So I have 2, 0, 20. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5, I have 5 times 4 shown here. The count goes 1, 2, 3, 4. You're always going to start with the right hand and alternate. So there's 5. So I have 3 extended fingers on the right and 2 on the left. The sets are not equal. This right hand now represents a 5. The left hand is the tens place, so it's a 2 and a 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6, I go back. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. 5 times 6. So I have 3 extended fingers on the left and 3 extended fingers on the right. The sets are equal. That means the right hand is a 0. So 5 times 6 is 3, 0, 30. 5 times 6 is 30. Again, 7, I'm going to raise this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have to have 4 extended. But what we do is, American Sign Language now, we'll raise those 2 and close the fist. Close the thumb, okay? So I have 3 on the left and 4 on the right. The sets are not equal. That means this is a 5. The right hand is a 5, and this is a 3. So 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have to raise these 2, and close the thumb. That's 8. So the sets are equal. 4 is equal to 4. That means the right hand is a 0. So I have 4 in the left, that's the tens place. So 8 times 5 is 40. Finally, 9. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here's 9. The sets 5 is not equal to 4, so the sets are not equal. I'm going to open my right hand, which is already open. So 9 times 5 is 45. All right. So about the 5s. If it's an even number, 2, 4, 6, and 8, the right hand is going to be a 0. If it's an odd number, 3, 5, 7, or 9, the right hand is going to represent 5. And the left hand always represents the tens digit, tens number. So 5 times 9 is 45. All right. In our next clip, we've done all the 5s now. We've done all the 9s, and we've done all the 5s. In the next clip, we're going to learn to multiply by 6 method invented by Trachtenberg.